Hey everyone, we are headed to our next destination, which is San Diego. Hey guys, so we just got to San Diego and we will check in right now. It looks pretty busy, especially with the parking.
Can you help me carry these bags?
It clearly says 11:24, but Andreas was trying to check into 11:22. I should have recorded, but she was trying so hard to get in there. Good thing no one came out, but obviously not her room. Were you able to get into the room?
I thought the key was broken. I was like, it's not working. It was orange, and then I was like, why isn't it green? But it was in her room. This is a restroom. Okay, it's fine. Good space and nice toiletries. It's a big vanity. This sink is kind of small, right? It's weird. A good size shower. Nice pocket doors. Behind you there's a closet. Ooh, full-size mirror. Alright, and then there's this area here. This is a room. It's kind of dark, but I like it. Look at these lamps. That's nice. That's cool. I like it's kind of modern. Look at this TV, it's huge. Of course, mini fridge. Coffee, tea maker. Ooh, this is a nice view. An extra person can sleep here pretty much, right? King size bed. Most rooms we've had king size. So we have a really nice view. We can see the pool area and we can see the water outside. Today we're not going to do much because we're traveling and it's already late. We might go out and walk a bit.
We are a little tired, but we will still walk around as we always do. Maybe there's a beach, or if there's not a beach, we can just walk around alongside the water. And as always, of course, we're staying here on points. It's $15,000 a night, but you can also use one of the free nights if you're a Hyatt member, and so that's what we're using to stay here. It looks like it's pretty busy, and as you saw from the entrance, it's a pretty big sort of convention style hotel, so there's a lot of people here. If we don't show you anything, then maybe we fell asleep, but who knows, we'll see. So we're walking around the hotel and you can definitely see this is a huge property. Actually, when we were in Lake Tahoe, our guide for the hike was telling us about this hotel because he used to work here. And he said this is a huge property, and it is. He said there was 1,000 or more rooms, and there's clearly a lot of people here, which is nice. I mean, it's still a very nice property, but a lot different of a feel than some of the more intimate locations we've been at. But you can see we're close to the water, and it's beautiful. The hotel itself also is really nice. Our room's really nice. So we're gonna see what else we can do because, again, we don't have much time here, and we want to enjoy it as much as we can. Now I just gotta find Andrea. She was right with me, but... oh, there she is. What's going on? Which is where we are right now. It's beautiful with the sunset. And we're just gonna have a little picnic here, just have some sandwiches, which Andrea has.
Yep, they're in these bags.
We have our chips, sandwiches, and we're just gonna enjoy. Obviously, coming from Disney, we spent a lot of money there, so we're gonna cut back on the costs by just going back to our sandwiches.
I'm glad to get out of the car. We're in it for like 5 hours. Even though it's a 2-hour drive, there's a lot of traffic. So breathing this fresh air is nice.
yeah, tomorrow we're waking up pretty early. I think the earliest we've gotten up, so we can drive and get to our next destination, which is well worth us getting there early to take full advantage. So see you then.